Sounds. They accompany us. They touch us from a distance. They bring back memories and evoke all kinds of emotions. Joy, fear, drama, excitement, or delight. In the world of racing, sounds always made us shiver, gave us chills and goosebumps. This is the starting point for something completely new. We've been shaping electric mobility for years. Now we're shaping the sound of electric mobility. For the first time in history, we're the architects of an intentional soundscape for cars.
It's a new era. Electric cars give us a chance to create the character that represents the soul of the car. It's a really thrilling task.
When creativity meets technology, our engineers are at their best.
It's quite challenging because there is no path which is known. The whole car body is excited with sound additional to the gears and the engine sounds, and so we can create a whole sound dimension and character of the car.
We will see, or better said, hear this in future sports cars. Every model will have its unique sound, and we at Schaeffler have both the technology as well as the practical expertise to bring it to life.
The driver is not just driving the car anymore, so he becomes a player and plays an instrument actually. We have a real-time synthesis. Yeah, we want the whole car body to resonate and radiate the sound towards the public audience.
Cars move us emotionally. We experience them with all our senses, and the sound adds the soul.
As a driver, you really feel when you accelerate, when you brake, when you recuperate, and like it's always different sound. It's really loud, so I really hope that the fans outside also have the same feeling. It's definitely the sound of the future.
Our aim, zero emissions, maximum emotions. Guess we're on the right track.